Welcome to Vape and Juice TV. It's an unboxing of the Lost Vape Orion Quest pod kit. They brought out two of these kits lately. One's got a DNA chip inside, one hasn't. And we're going to show you what's inside the box with the one that hasn't got the DNA chip. So, what does it look like? Well, first of all, there's the box. Got a little close-up on the camera. It comes with a little QR code, scratch and sniff. You can make sure it's kosher. And this one is called Black Weave, which is the pattern of the pod. Looks a little something like this. So inside the box you've got the main kit, which is, this is the housing. It's a 950 LiPo battery. Doesn't have any sort of digital display screen. It has a USB, micro USB charge point. It's not got pass-through. That means if you've got it plugged in to charge, it's not going to vape at the same time. Some kits you can plug it in and still vape it. You can't with the old Questerson, and but it's got a nice natty little click section. So let's take the lid off. Let's show you what else comes in the box. So what do we get in the box? You get a little micro USB cable. Again, you can plug it up to charge it, but it's not going to let you vape it at the same time. That's called pass through. You also got a little attention card. Attention! Just attention. That's all it is. This, I believe, is a string lanyard, so you can have it just hanging around your neck if you want to look like someone who wants to get wedgied.
One for luck. Oh, good. Old school wedgie. To be a mine in a way.
What else is in the box? Rubber grip that goes on the lanyard. Pod. This is important. You need one of those. We'll go through that in a second. And some more paperwork. And also a really small poster you can put on your wall. If you have a mouse, you can put it inside the mouse's hut. It's got a massive, his very favourite vape kit, so that's what that's for. This is the pod, so it looks like an entire tank of a vape kit. It simply clicks straight on top of this like so. Let's pop it out. Square. What's great about the Lost Vape kits, all of them DNA or non-DNA, is I think the refill technique is the refill system is amazing. Simple to unscrew, little rubber seal there to keep it watertight. And you just pour it straight into the tank. It's really easy. It's a 2 mil tank, and it's great. Some of the pod systems out there, when you try to fill them up, the juice comes back out because the pod hole's really small. This one doesn't. It's got a nice big open neck, so it's a really good fill port. It has adjustable airflow. DNA and non-DNA have this, and you can see a small little gap here. You just give that a turn, which means you can make a tighter or a looser draw, however you so feel. The kit comes with a 1 ohm pod, which is it's like a cross between a sub-ohm and mouth to lung. It's pretty good. Best to use this particular kit for higher PG or nic salt based e-liquids. There are some lower ohm ones, 0.5 ohm, which gives you a bit more of a oomph. But yeah, that's that in a nutshell. Very simple. And to put the pod in place, you just do like this. There we go. And oh, that's not in. There we go, clicks in place. That's a lovely satisfying click. And to remove the pod, you just pull it out. And then you go back in again. Clicks in nicely. Fire button, adjustable airflow, easy to fill. That is the Lost Vape Quest Orion kit. Well worth checking out, available on vapeandjuice.com. Hope you found that useful. Any questions, hit them in the comments below, or search it on vapeandjuice.com. Type in Lost Vape Orion. Thanks for watching.